Hey Nash, what should we make?
Well, we need a sweet dish to serve for brunch, so how about blueberry French toast, but make it a casserole?
All right, let's make a blueberry French toast overnight casserole. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, everybody. Thanks for joining. As you can see, I'm at my folks again, or still, I don't know what order you watch these videos in. We are making a bunch of casserole dishes for a brunch. The one we're gonna make right now in this video is overnight blueberry French toast casserole. So think about French toast, it's delicious, people like it. But if you're cooking for a bunch of people, you gotta flip, 25 pieces of French toast, that's a lot of work. So this is a way we can kind of deconstruct it, throw everything into a casserole dish, let it sit overnight, let all the flavors kind of combine, and then all you have to do is get up like an hour before people show up, throw it in the oven, and it's ready to go when people show up. Without further ado, let's go. First things first, we have our bread. So take some sourdough bread. I'm assuming you can use any bread, really. Chop it up into cubes like this, 2 loaves, and then put half of them in the bottom of a greased casserole dish. Then we have 2 bricks of cream cheese, just kind of chopped up, and 1 stick of butter, same thing. We also got some brown sugar, our blueberries over here, so let's get going. To our layer of half the bread, we're just gonna kind of take these little cubes of butter and just sort of sprinkle them over the top in a fairly uniform fashion. That one looks like a shark fin. And then we do the same with our cream cheese. Just think about how big these pieces are going to be that you're serving, and make sure there's a little cream cheese in every bite, or at least every piece. It doesn't have to be exact, though. See, this is almost going to be like a blueberry cheesecake French toast. All the measurements are going to be listed below. To this, we add a very healthy layer of blueberries. Again, just think about the pieces you're going to be serving. Make sure they're as evenly distributed as possible, but it doesn't have to be exact. Now we put the rest of our bread over the top. We'll set this aside, bring out our bowl, and we crack 12 eggs. Now I'm going to beat these eggs. To our eggs, we're going to add a cup of brown sugar, 2 cups of milk. Now we just take our sugar egg mixture and pour it over the top. Take this, cover it, throw it in the fridge overnight, and then in the morning, all you got to do is throw it in the oven and bake it. We're going to bake it at 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. So that's it for now. Till later.
The next day.
All right, when your overnight blueberry French toast casserole has sat overnight and is ready to cook, we are going to throw this into a 350 degree oven for 25 to 30 minutes, depending on your oven.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, once our French bread, blueberry French bread casserole is done, we're going to go ahead and pull it out of the oven. It's ready to serve. Sorry about the noise, but we got lots of people here that want to eat. All right, Uncle Mike, what's going on? What do we got over here?
Well, we've got this delicious blueberry something or other.
Blueberry French toast casserole.
That is just delicious.
Yeah?
I love French toast. Blueberries are a nice little extra.
All right.
Some whipped cream on top, and it's perfect.
Awesome. Well, thank you. What about you, Kimberly? What do you got?
I was going to say, I forgot to get the whipped cream on top. I don't know what I was doing, but I had my first bite of it, and it's very good.
All right, time for a bite. Our French toast. Cheers.
No, not at all.